I could see the need for a women and child health care through the eyes of thousands and thousands of women and children. And we all from Siliguri always believe that the pace with which our Siliguri and North Bengal is growing, healthcare is also growing. And there was a gap, there was a need for a dedicated center that would cater to the needs of women and children.
Main person behind and who will be looking after this healthcare institute, none other than Dr. Prince Parekh. And I must acknowledge the contribution of Dr. Parekh, and I hope that in the near future, this institution and the institution which is coming, these two will cater the long pending needs of the child, of the neonatal babies and the mothers.
More than a decade, and I know he's very dedicated to his patients, and he treats them as his own children. I'm really happy that it has come up this well, and I hope that this hospital continues to serve the people of Siliguri as Dr. Prince has been doing it for some years now.
He's an excellent doctor, and being an IVF specialist, there was a need in Siliguri for a state-of-the-art hospital for neonates as well as children, because this hospital is definitely going to bridge the gap which was much needed in Siliguri. And Dr. Prince, everybody knows that he is totally dedicated to his work, and we wish him all the best.
And I think all the young mamas and to-be mamas are so fortunate that they have this facility and that they're going to be taken care of by Dr. Parekh, because he's known all over. His dedication, everybody knows. So I think this is wonderful.
I think Dr. Prince has done a very great job of opening this hospital, not for himself also, but for the patients working over here, so that they don't have to look for some other place or have to travel for a long distance just to get that treatment which they are getting outside.
Premature childs and low birth weight child, they need extremely wonderful facility and good care. I hope this NICU will cater to those child and save their lives.
पैम्पल से मुझे लगता है कि मदर्स बहुत सेटिस्फाइड होंगी जब अपने बच्चों का ट्रीटमेंट अच्छी तरह से होते हुए देखें, और डॉक्टर्स सब यहाँ पे अच्छे ही हैं और अच्छा काम होगा तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। सिलीगुड़ी को बहुत अच्छी सर्विसेज मिलेगी।
I believe that it is a milestone and it is definitely going forward to the as far front as possible in respect to the standard of the world.
Definitely it will give a good service to the not only the Siliguri, even for the nearby region, the mountains, hills, covering the Bhutan, also the Nepal nearby.
वो mother को एक जो pampering मिलनी चाहिए at that time, it should not feel that she is going to a hospital. It should feel like a celebration is coming, a kind of a celebration is taking place, and a special hospital which is dedicated for the mother and child, which was not there. I think this is the requirement of Siliguri.
It's always the main behind the machine. The experienced staff you have, the experienced doctors, that really matters. And I think Temple have put in the right person to take care of all this. And I wish them all the success. That's for a better future.
It's a great initiative. Hope that Temple will give service to the society entire North Bengal.
It's a very big hospital right now for this sector, and I wish this hospital very good success.
এটা ভীষণ প্রয়োজন ছিল, কারণ শিশু স্বাস্থ্য এবং এই যে জায়গাটা এবং নিওনেটোলজি যেটা ডক্টর অরিত্র রয়, হি ইজ probably the, as far as my knowledge goes, is the only specialist in this sphere. তো এই জায়গাটা আমার মনে হয় খুব ভালোভাবে ওরা কভার আপ করতে পারবে, যেটা ভীষণভাবে প্রয়োজন ছিল আমাদের উত্তরবঙ্গ।
It was a vacuum. This was waiting to be filled, and this was filled up by Dr. Prince Parekh. He is well known.
Yes, sir.
and I know he will be able to do it.
This is a huge expansion, I would say, about women and child. They are not the patient actually. This is a well-beingness, happiness. So this sort of infrastructure is highly required. This is a new endeavor and one of a kind around this corner of the world. So yeah, all the best to him. Wishes, and I believe it will grow more.
Newborn is a very delicate subject, and it requires a regular, daily, and even sometimes minutely monitoring. So for this, some good instruments, good monitoring facilities is always needed, and Pampers may add to the value of this facility.
দেখুন টেকনোলজি এখন চতুর্দিকে, তো উইদাউট টেকনোলজি এখন আমাদের কিছু করার নেই। তো ডেফিনেটলি এটা খুব ভালো কিছুই, মানে পেশেন্ট বলুন, সাধারণ মানুষদের জন্য বলুন, ডেফিনেটলি কিছু না কিছু ভালো বেনিফিট তো দেবেই।
This is the first of its kind that so much advanced NICU facility. So it will be very beneficial in the North Bengal area for mother and child care, and especially in the newborn care.
Our North Bengal and in Siliguri might be a medical and education hub. So it's a new figure in this particular area. Hopefully, through this kind of nursing home or hospitality, we will see that other important companies who are in this particular area of business, or they also can join this venture.
We have just started, and we will definitely achieve our goal, which is providing the best care to the newborns and to the mother to enhance their journey of being a mother. So we are just together, we want to build that, and we will build that.